Yang krem tu boleh Nabi?
Okay, hello guys, what are you doing of it? I got to push my mic. Anyway, so right now, I'm doing the funnies. So right now we're going up and down, up and down, up and down, beans, nudgies and booms. Got my block. I'm not actually got my
Kenapa
mic.
aku pegang dia punya ni Nat?
Because I'm still might actually break.
Kau tak ada plastik kau gigi.
But after I go foot on the trail.
Ambil lah.
Yeah, if you're going on a trail of that type, then it's kind of hard. You have to focus on the trail and then beans, nudgies and booms. So, like right now, I have to do those things.
Tadi kita kat atas, sekarang kita kat bawah.
Oh, okay. Right here. Look, we're at the top.
Bagi laluan.
Hello.
Bagi laluan sikit.
I'm not get hi. Look, we're at the top. We're at the bottom of somewhere that we just went by didn't record for some reason. I don't know why.
Update member.
Tak ada.
But look,
Dalam
oh
channel
my
dia.
gosh.
YouTube.
Banyak tak follower?
Tak ada. Tapi channel dia tu tak boleh di-expose. Sebab gambar tak filter. Gambar kat rumah lah. Apa lah.
Private lah channel dia.
Private. Kan?
Uh-uh.
Oh nak ni donate.
Baru nak subscribe. Ha.
Jangan. Habis rahsia kat rumah. Baju tak lipat
Okay.
lah. Apa dia?
Ni yang apa?
Dah ajar 5.
So,
Gambar macam nak buat makan sama nak buat vlog ah.
yeah. I know, look. So right now
Dia buat vlog.
still watching.
Ha, sebab dia tinggal sini United
I just want to take it. I just want to eat. I'm hungry. AF. This is a perfect place to actually do. You know, beans, nuggies, yay! So, yeah, this trail is turned out hard. I took Vlad there because there's so many wood and roots and crap coming out and whole ass cliffs. Yeah. I'm begging for subs, please. So you may be asking, what? Why? So this thing is turn this up. Look at this. Look at this. Right now. That's a long cliff. Oh gosh. You might actually, if you fall down there, you might actually break a bounce. Oh gosh.
Dia lari dulu 1 kilo, dia kayu basikal 4 kilometer. Lepas tu dia lari sekali lagi 1.
Oh my gosh. Just down! Down!
Laki dia dekat Putrajaya. Pocket. Dia ada a few diet.
This place.
Dia kata, I'm a videographer. So dia yang tukang. Dia tukang lah.
So,
Tapi konten dia tu berterabur lah.
yeah.
Ya lah.
And, oh my gosh. Dad. Right now? Yeah.
Ni, Yen. Ni, nanti kata kalau Dayan buat video betul-betul, rajin review, boleh jadi apa nanti tadi?
National Cameraman.
National Geographic.
Cameraman ataupun National Geographic.
Exactly. Then you can go to Kenya.
Okay. I want to do the most fire shots as I'm doing.
Fire shots.
Volcano.
I want to make like the most coolest looking shots in National Geographic. stuff. I'm gonna make a yellow square on the side of my screen.
Yellow squirrel.
Square!
Squirrel? What's a squirrel?
Like that.
Squirrel. Squirrel. Is it?
Square. Square.
How do you spell it?
S-Q-U-R. S-U-Q.
S-Q-U-I.
S-Q-U-R-E. Square.
Squirrel.
Squirrel.
Square. It's like this.
Is
Yeah,
it
that's
an
square lah.
anim? Is it
Square.
square?
Yes.
Shape. Oh, okay.
And it's, oh my gosh, I've been over my limit. Okay, goodbye.